This is the Xiaomi Yeelight. It's an RGB smart bulb that can be controlled via Wi-Fi. It works with Alexa and Google Home, just like the popular Phillips Hue bulbs, but it's half the price, costing just $20. Xiaomi have been known to make great quality smartphones at budget prices, and they've started to build a reputation on it. They also have a smart lighting range, and this is the Yeelight colour bulb. The great part is that it doesn't require a bridge to work with Wi-Fi, like the Philips Hue lights, so you only need to buy the bulb. So let's start by seeing what you get inside the box. The box is super minimalistic. Inside you'll find a manual, albeit in Chinese, and the bulb itself. The bulb is on the slightly larger side and is heavier than your average bulb. It has an ergonomic design and feels surprisingly well made with no loose parts and a smooth textured plastic shell. Xiaomi claims the light has a lifetime of up to 11 years and features an adjustable white light with a range of 1700K all the way to 6500K. It has a 600 lumen 16 million colour RGB LED and only consumes a small 9 watts of power. Setting up the light was fairly straightforward, although finding somewhere to fit the bulb did prove rather tricky in my house. It was an E27 type screw fitting, so make sure you do get a lamp that can be used with it. After getting a few really nice looking Scandinavian desk lamps with the correct fitting, I was off to the races. First off, I downloaded the dedicated app, which has setup instructions and allows you to use all the smart functions. Then once the light was powered on, I was able to hit add a new device and select the bulb. If your bulb doesn't appear in the list to start with, you'll need to reset the bulb by simply turning it off and on 5 times with 2 seconds in between switching, until the bulb starts to cycle through different colours. Once selected, will be added to your list of lights you have set up. It's really simple and the app works for both iOS and Android phones. The app is full of features and you can rename lights as well as add lights to groups like rooms and control them all simultaneously, as well as set up scenes or just control the bulbs individually. To control each bulb individually, you can choose from 10 different preset modes, and you also have complete customization on the warmth of the white light, ranging from sunset looking orange to a completely modern white light, like I mentioned earlier with a range of kelvins. There is also a 16 million colour palette which is really easy to use and allows you to set any shade of any colour. When sliding the colours, the light updates almost instantly and in real time. You can adjust the brightness all the way from 1 to 100, and although it does get quite bright, I wouldn't use this bulb for a main room light as it just wouldn't be bright enough. It looks great as an accent ambient lighting though, and coupled with nice lamps, it makes a really nice combo. And finally, you can control your Yeelight with an Amazon Echo or a Google Home. It's really simple to add the bulbs in the Google Home app for voice activation, and you can turn on all the lights in one room and change the brightness using your voice. Turn on the bedroom lights.
Sure, turning on 2 lights.
Change the colour of the lights to blue.
Okay, changing 2 lights to blue.
Hey Google, set the brightness of the lights to 1%.
Alright, setting 2 lights brightness to 1%.
Amazon Echo also works in much the same way, and I found the lights to actually react quicker to the Echo Dot than I did with the Google Home. All in all, I'm super happy with these lights, and for the ridiculously cheap price, they're packed with features. If you want some ambient lighting around your house, to add colour and smart home technology, while not wanting to invest loads in Philips Hue gear, then I would totally recommend them. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. I just thought I'd do a video on these lights really because I found out about them quite a while back. I decided to buy some and they really are great, like a little hidden treasure really. I'm really glad I found out about them. And yeah, thanks for watching. I probably will do a vlog soon, not vlog, but just a sit down talk. So I just want to be like a bit more, a bit more personal with you guys really, and just, have a chat about my channel and how things are going so far. But yeah, for this video, thanks for watching guys, and maybe there'll be another review next, maybe I'll do the vlog thing. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, you know what to do. Comment if you enjoyed, like if you enjoyed, dislike if you really hated it. And subscribe, because there's always room in my subscriber box, and you should probably do it, but only if you want to see more. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.